Hi everyone, my name is Charlene Muzones Cuaves, and today I will be discussing the ERP or the implementation process and the integration of ERP modules. So, what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a system that helps different departments in a company work together using one database. So the development of ERP started in 1960s with a simple inventory control system lang gid, no? So in 1970s, ang Material Requirements Planning or the MRP was already introduced. So, during the 1980s naman, the MRP2 expanded to include more manufacturing activities. Sa 1990s naman niya, ERP connected different departments such as ang finance, ang human resource, kag ang operations. So, today, uh, we use cloud ERP na which nag-aalaw ang businesses to access information anytime and anywhere. Amo na siyang ginatawag ta nga real time. So, the evolution shows how ERP has become an important tool for modern organizations. So, this slide shows the 6 phases of ERP implementation. So, in phase 1 is the discovery and planning, where ang organization gina-identify ang goals kag requirements ng isa ka system. So, sa phase 2 naman is the design, where ang business processes, no, gina-analyze na nila kag ginamap. So, sa phase 3 naman is the development and data migration. Kung sa diin, ang system is configured and ang mga important data is already transferred. So, sa phase 4 naman is testing or the user acceptance testing. So, ang users, which is ang employee, no, kalabanan, gid man, no, ang naga-test sang system to make sure that it works properly according to the business needs. So, the phase 5 is the deployment and go live, where ang ERP system is officially launched or ga-start na gid ya operate. Finally, sa phase 6 is the post-live support. Kung sa diin, ang organization naga-monitor na sang performance and continuous improvement sang system. So, a successful ERP implementation, no, naga-require gid siya sang proper nga planning, proper gid siya nga testing, and most especially, support. Okay, this slide explains kung paano ang ERP modules are integrated. So, different departments such as ang finance and accounting, human resources, supply chains and inventory, and CRM or sales are connected through a unified central database. So, in traditional system, no, sa mga daan, tanga mga systems, departments often use separate databases, which can cause ang pinakauna gid nga problem, no, is ang duplication sang mga data. May ara man kisa nga communication problems, no? So, with ERP integration, ang tanan ni nga departments naga-share ni siya sang the same information through real time. So, this improves coordination maka-reduce gid siya sang mga errors, no? Kag nagabuli gid siya sang mga managers nga mas dasig kag mas better ang decision making. So, in simple terms, ang ERP naga-create gid sang one source of truth for the entire organization. Okay? So, this slide shows how ERP works in a real business scenario. So, kung si customer mag-place an order online, ang ERP system will automatically update into different departments. So, sa inventory system, gina-check na daang stocks availability. So, kung ang levels ng stocks is low, ang procurement process mabigin na siya automatically, no? So, ang warehouse naman niya, mag-prepare naman siya sang product for delivery. So, at the same time, ang finance department nag-record sang payment, and the CRM systems updates the customer's purchase history. So, because all modules are connected, ang mga managers no can view real time through dashboards nila. So, this helps organization respond quickly and make more informed decisions. Okay? So, on my last slide, this concludes that ERP system helps organizations integrate different business functions into one system. So, ang ERP naga-improve communication, naga-increase gid siya sang efficiency, kag naga-reduce sang data duplication, kag most especially better nga support when it comes to decision making. So, however, no, successful implementation requires careful gidya nga planning, um, strong leadership support, proper nga testing sang system, and continuous gidya nga improvement nga maka-adapt gidya sang business needs, no, mo gina importante. So, overall, ERP serves as the foundation of a modern management information system by providing accurate kag real-time information across the organization. So, that concludes my presentation on ERP, implementation process, and integration of ERP modules. Thank you, Sir Jake, for taking the time to watch and listen to my report. I hope this presentation helped you understand um, not just you, but the students man no nga makabati man sang sini nga report nga makabulig ni sila no nga makaintindi kung paano ang ERP system maka-improve sa business operations kag maka-support when it comes to decision making. Okay, that's all. Have a great day and thank you once again.